Welcome students. In this video, let us look at how to find a circle passing through three given non-collinear points. So let us take an example to understand this topic. So if you are asked to find a circle which passes through the points 4, 1, 6, 5 and 0, 3. So in lower classes, you have already learned that if you have three given non-collinear points, one and only one circle passes through those 3 points, and which is the circumcircle of this triangle. So if you take the points 4, 1, 6, 5 and 0, 3 on the Cartesian plane, you have a triangle ABC, and you have one and only one circle which passes through these 3 points, and you are asked to find the equation of that circle. So how can we do this? One of the easy method to do this is, first step, let us assume that the circle is, let the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So let this be a general circle. Now this circle has to pass through these 3 points. You have 3 informations, right? So corresponding to each information, you get an equation. Now the circle has to pass through 4, 1. That means this 4, 1 has to satisfy this equation. So the first equation is by substituting 4, 1. 16 plus 1 plus 8g plus 2f plus c has to be equal to 0. I have put 4 in the place of x, 1 in the place of y. And the second equation is by putting 6, 5 in this equation. So 36 plus 25 plus 12g plus 10f plus c is also equal to 0. Now this circle also passes through c. So c also has to satisfy this equation. So 0 plus 9 plus 2g into 0 is 0 plus 6f plus c is also equal to 0. Now you have 3 equations in terms of g, f, c. If you solve them, you get the values of g, f and c. Once you substitute g, f, c in the equation, you get the circle. I hope you know how to solve a 3 variable equation. So first, 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus of 61. And 6f plus c is equal to minus 9. So this is an equation in f and c. From these 2 equations also, let us try to eliminate the variable g. So if you want to eliminate the unknown g, so you need to multiply this by 3 and this by 2 and subtract 1 from the other. So I'll multiply the first equation with 3 and the second equation with 2 and subtract 1 from the other. So 24g gets cancelled. 6f minus 20f. So you have minus 14f. 6f minus 20f is minus 14f. 3c minus 2c is plus c is equal to, this is minus 51 plus 122. Minus of minus 122 is plus 122. So 122 minus 51. So you have 171. So minus 14f plus c is 71. 6f plus c is minus 9. So if you subtract 1 from the other, you get minus 20f. These two gets cancelled, is equal to 80. F is equal to minus 4. Subtract 1 from the other, minus 14f minus 6f minus 20f is equal to 80. So f is equal to minus 4. So once you get f, if you substitute it here, so minus 24 plus C is equal to minus 9. So C is equal to 15. That is 24 minus 9, 15. So once you have F and C, you can substitute in any one of the equation to get the value of G. So 8G minus 2F is, plus 2F is minus 8 plus 15 is equal to minus 17. So this implies 8G is equal to minus 17 minus 15 plus 8. We get minus 24. This implies G is equal to minus 3. So you got the value of G, you got the value of F, you got the value of C. Hence, the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx. G is minus 3, so you get minus 6x plus 2fy minus 8y plus c. C is 15, so plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is how you find the equation of a circle passing through three non-collinear points.